In this video, we will be covering the more advanced tax portal tasks, including paying on multiple parcels, creating a user account, and scheduling a payment. So first up, we will start with paying on multiple parcels. So this is going to be useful if you own multiple properties and you'd like to pay all of your taxes at once instead of going one by one, adding to the cart, checking out for every single property. So to start, we're going to go to the Stearns County website and make our way into the property tax portal to pay online. You'll get to the screen where you can enter your parcel information. So go ahead and do that. Search by parcel number or address here. Find your parcel, select pay taxes, and add the item to the cart that you wish, whether that's first installment or full year. Click View Cart, and then at this point, you can click Search for additional properties. And this is how you're going to add multiple parcels. So click Search for additional properties, add your new parcel information, and continue on, so on and so forth until you have all of the properties in your cart that you'd like. Once all of your properties are in your cart, click View Cart and enter payment information to go to the payment portal, where you'll be able to advance with a payment. Now we'll jump right into creating an account. Benefits of having an account is that they can be used to view payment history and scheduled payments that you may have on your parcels. So right from the screen we were just on, where you enter your payment information, on the top right-hand side, you can select Sign In. And on the bottom there, it says create an account. So go ahead and do that if this is your first time in this system. Entering all the fields, email, first, last name, mobile phone, create a password, and then click sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. This is what the sign in process looks like. You enter your password here and click verify. And you'll see I've saved checking information, which is one of those benefits. We're going to go ahead and enter a new e-check, which is what it's going to look like the first time you do this. So again, just populating these fields with some phony numbers in order to move forward with this testing environment. You'll want to put your own information in here, of course. You can select remember this account, and that's going to be what saves your checking account or credit card to your profile to be able to use quickly in the future. On this screen, make sure you review, and then you can go ahead and select submit payment when everything looks good. So there we are. You get your confirmation. That'll be sent to the email that you signed up for the account with. So up on the top right-hand side, you'll be able to see that profile. You can select that and advance to your profile. And then on this screen, you'll be able to select in your community history, Stearns County MN, and that's going to bring you to the relevant information that we talked about earlier. Things like payment history and scheduled payments. So select payments, and here on the left-hand side, you can select payment history, and scheduled payments are going to be the main tabs. So we can see all payment history under this account here. You can expand it for more information and print a receipt from this screen. This will be all of your past payments under this account. So that will be nice to be able to reference. You'll also see the scheduled payments, which we will jump into covering right now. So we'll start back from the beginning here. Search by a parcel, bring up pay taxes. We're going to go as if we are trying to schedule a payment for the future and not pay that immediately. So working our way through the payment portal again to enter payment information. Now where it says when would you like to pay, we'll change this to later, and we can select a date. Of course, it's going to be very important to make sure you're selecting a date that's ahead of the due date for your taxes. So for the second half taxes, that's going to be before 10/15. I recommend building in a little bit of buffer time in case there's any issues with your account or the payment. That way you don't have to worry about that late penalty. Here you can enter your payment information again or select a previous payment method and click or select continue. So once again, we have a review screen, and then select schedule payment to push that through. It's important to select schedule payment on that screen. And once again, you will get a confirmation here that tells you the payment amount and when it's been scheduled. Now jumping back into your profile, you'll want to click Stearns County, MN. Mine says test because I'm working in a testing environment. Payments. So once again, on the left-hand side here, you'll see scheduled payments. We'll select this for more detail. This is the one we just put through for October 1st. And there we are. You can view the details on that. So we covered some more advanced things in the portal today, such as paying multiple parcels, creating an account, and scheduling payments.